If you are retired or looking to retire in the near future and you have been looking for online business and what that is like for someone who is maybe in the not as younger tech savvy generation, today's episode is for you. I'm interviewing Tracy, who started her automated high ticket affiliate marketing business in retirement. She has a super inspiring story, and let's get into the interview. I think it's going to be super encouraging for you. Hi, Tracy.
Hi, Nicole.
Today, we're just going to talk to Tracy a little bit about why starting an online business is a great idea for someone who is retired.
Oh, yeah.
And can you just start off a little bit, just like a brief explanation of what your goals and plans were when you retired, and then what led you to automated high ticket affiliate marketing?
Since I retired early, since I was only 54 when I retired, I get very little retirement actually sent to me each month. And so I actually need to do this so that I can supplement my retirement income, but also so I can throw more money at retirement and be able to travel. And because all my kids and grandkids are everywhere, that I want to be able to travel for all the birthdays and all the things, I need to make sure that I can do that. And this allows me to do my business from anywhere.
So a lot of people maybe in the retirement age might feel really overwhelmed by the idea of starting an online business because of the technical side of things. They might think it's for the younger folk, the tech savvy folk. So someone coming from that other background, can you just explain a little bit, like maybe some of the resources and training that this community provides to make sure that anyone, regardless of background or how much tech skills that they have or might not have, can be like successful?
I'm definitely feeling the learning curve, but everything is broken down step by step for most of it. And there's always people to ask. And I've been able to figure things out a little here, a little there. And it just means I'm a little slower at some of it, which is fine. And it just all comes together. And eventually, when it's supposed to happen, it happens. And you're supposed to catch those little snippets.
I think the important thing is like no one's left to just figure it out on your own. Have training, and then we have communities and resources to ask.
Yeah, tons of chats if you need them, and resources, and all the different aspects of that, the business launch training, and being able to always go back and review it again. Being able to just do that for life is sometimes the best, especially when you're trying to figure out like, how do you set an audience, or how do you do this, or okay, just step by step, take it slow.
We talked about this and hit on it a little bit, but I know that the geographical independence is a huge reason why you started this business, and you're traveling out to all these different states to visit your kids and things like that. Is that one of the primary reasons why you started this business in particular?
Yeah, not only for them, but one of my bucket list things is I want to go to all 50 states.
Oh, I love that.
And so we have a camper and motorcycles and all the fun things. And so we want to be able to drive somewhere, park, go have fun.
Yeah.
But at the same time, like I said, I need to have an income of some kind, and being able to do this from anywhere, you can feel that community no matter who you're working with, and then being able to have the income coming in no matter what. You just wait for the checks when you get home.
We talked a little bit about the monetary stuff, which is awesome, but how has starting an online business in retirement just changed you in other ways? Some of your favorite aspects of this journey, and you're still on this journey, but like what other aspects of life have you seen positive improvements in?
Definitely the mindset. So now it's like my routine itself is just get up and do a workout, journal, read, do all the different things. And then throughout the day, I have that routine, but I have to have some kind of at least a starting point, even if my day doesn't go exactly as a calendar might. With all the training and with the reading and like hearing other people's stories, and just, it's also inspiring. Just having met you, even though at that time we hadn't met in person, is for some reason, it just felt like connection.
That's what I love is like online community becomes like real life. Community.
Yeah,
like I love it.
It's like when we got to the airport or when we got here, it's like hugs and everything. And it's so nice to finally meet you in person.
For someone who is either already retired or they're getting really close to that retirement age, what advice would you give to them if they want to supplement their income? They would love to have that geographical independence that an online business provides to them, but maybe they're feeling a little overwhelmed or intimidated by what that process looks like.
Start now. Don't wait till you retire unless you're already retired. But just start now. Put a little bit in each day. It all comes together. There's, like I said, there's so much support and so much training available, and that whether it's converting from being that employee to being an entrepreneur, that is for me really the hardest part. Just start now, put a little bit of time in each day and just get it going.
Great advice. If you would like to learn more about this particular automated high-ticket affiliate marketing business, go ahead and fill out the very short application down below that will get you instant access to my free 20-minute web class that explains this business model in detail, and you can get all the info that you need. So thanks for joining. I hope you were super inspired by today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video.